Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just sent me an email with a question on this. He's trying to write vertical text, and it's changing the I to a capital I. In his font, it looks like an L. So to do vertical text, let's do capital J, enter, A, M, I, and you see the problem. It turns it into a capital I. But what you can do is highlight that letter, go up to text, change case to lowercase, in a lowercase, just that one letter, and then keep in mind, go to center justified, so your letters will be centered. And that's how I would do it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.